Hello, Dr. Baldonado and classmates. My name is Tiffany Roderick, and the career that I'm interested in is Diversity and Inclusion Manager. There are several reasons why this career appeals to me. Mainly, I take great pride in the company that I work for. I truly believe that diversity adds value to companies, and I want to do my part in creating initiatives that foster an environment that make every employee, regardless of race, gender, or sexual orientation, feel as if they have an opportunity to thrive and reach their highest potential. I have over 15 years of sales, account management, and customer service experience in various industries. In my current role, I'm a senior customer service representative in aerospace. I'm also a hub leader for the Western region of my company's African American Employee Resource Group. On my spare time, I work on my business, First and 10 Industries LLC, where I teach women online everything they need to know about American football, which leads me to my favorite business communication technology. The option to video conference and video chat has changed the way the world does business. We are still in the midst of a global pandemic, and without tools such as Microsoft Teams or WebEx, business continuity at most companies would have been deeply impacted. Video conferences enable a visual connection and demonstration quality that you cannot achieve by a simple phone call.